This single bar is worth more than most cars, but you won't believe where it starts.
Can you spot the hidden fortune in this pile of rocks?
At over 1,000 degrees, one mistake here could cost millions.
How does this transformation even happen? Olefins spallen.
One contaminated batch can shut down the entire refinery.
Inside this machine, pure magic happens at extreme temperatures. This is where billion-dollar journeys begin. But how much gold is really here?
All right, man, pull hard now. Securing the tension now. Check the distribution, looks steady.
Checks complete. You may proceed slowly.
Understood. Thank you.
All right, straight back, keep it coming. And hold it right there. Stop. Check the flow rate on line 3, it's running high. Copy that, adjusting the pressure now.
Check the consistency on line 3.
Looks good from here, moving forward.
Removing every drop of moisture is critical for the next step.
Now that it's clean, how do we find the gold inside?
Magnets pull out the worthless iron, leaving pure gold ore behind.
Can you train your eye to spot real gold?
Look at the volume hitting the reject bin now. It seems accurate based on the current calibration.
Gravity does the heavy lifting here, literally.
So we found the gold, but how do we get it out of the rock?
Speed is stable. Check the reduction port again.
Looks consistent with the target size.
This chemical bath pulls pure gold from crushed rock.
Watch closely. Can you see pure gold forming right before your eyes?
One pour, one chance. There's no room for error at these temperatures.
From dirty ore to pure gold. But is it ready to sell?
Four nines pure. That's 24 karat gold, certified.
Every bar gets a unique fingerprint, traceable worldwide.
Ready for the vault, but how much is this really worth?
You're good. Keep coming straight. Clear past the shelving unit now.
Every single bar tracked, every movement recorded. Security is everything.
All right, next pallet quickly now. Watch the edge, keep it steady. It's in, secure the straps.
Verify SLS 4944,
Secured.
45, 36, and 56. All seals confirmed against the manifest.
Millions of dollars in one case. How do they keep it safe?
Clear left side. Right side clear. Load secure.
Everything accounted for on the scan.
Yes, the RFID count matches the manifest exactly.
Excellent. Let's get this signed and sealed.
Control, this is Supervisor Alpha. Transport authorization signed at 18554. We are ready for immediate departure. Copy that, Alpha. You are clear to proceed.
From mine to vault to market, the journey ends where another begins.
From worthless rock to priceless metal, this is how gold is really made.